Hey guys, Qortal Justin here. I hope you're doing well. In this video, we're going to be talking about the Qortal Browser Extension, which is a brand new plugin we recently built to help facilitate the usage of the Qortal blockchain. Specifically, we're going to be covering what exactly is the Qortal Browser Extension, how you can install the Qortal Browser Extension, how you could get some Qort once you have it installed, and lastly, how you can start using the extension today. Let's get started. When answering the question, what is the Qortal Browser Extension, there are 4 key takeaways to keep in mind. The first thing to keep in mind is the easy account creation. When you have the Qortal Browser Extension installed on your browser, it takes as little as 1 minute to create an account. And all this can be done without running a full node on your computer. The second thing to keep in mind are the integrated Qort and Litecoin wallets. When you have the extension installed, accessing your fund becomes easier than ever, and it comes automatically with a Qort and Litecoin wallet. It is currently possible to make payment transactions using the Qortal Browser Extension for decentralized applications that have the extension programmed into their code. And in the future, it'll be possible to get and fetch data from the Qortal data network, vote on community initiatives, and even start automated transactions to set up crowdfunds, all done from the Qortal Browser Extension. So there you have it, the 4 key takeaways of the Qortal Browser Extension. Now, let's take a look at how we can install this on our favorite browser. Let's go. So we're now ready to install the Qortal Browser Extension on Chrome. It is currently possible to do so on both Chrome and Brave browsers, but soon we will have the option to do so on Mozilla as well. So to do so, we must first visit the Chrome web store. Once we're on the Chrome web store, we could search for the Qortal extension by searching for Qortal in the top right corner. It will be the only option. And over here, we have the option to add to Chrome. If we click here, we will be prompted to add it to the Chrome browser. Qortal has been added to Chrome. To ensure that it has been successful, you could visit all the extensions you currently have installed in your current browser by visiting extensions, and then scrolling down and seeing Qortal and seeing that it has been successfully installed. I will pin it so that it is more easily accessible. And there you go. If I click on it, I get the Qortal extension main window. Creating an account once you have the Qortal Browser Extension installed is extremely easy and takes as little as 1 minute. Let's show you how to do it now. So I'm going to make this full screen to make it easier. And I currently have 2 options, either to authenticate or to create an account. For this tutorial, let's create an account. Please put a password that is memorable and easy for you, but harder for other people to guess. And after a short wait, congrats, you're all set up. Now we will be prompted to backup account. This will prompt a download in your Chrome window. This file almost works as a seed phrase in if you've worked with other wallets, crypto wallets. So it's very important that you save this in multiple places and have access to it, as this is your backup, as they say. So we have the Qortal Browser Extension installed, and we've created an account successfully. Now it's time to buy some Qort so we could start using it within the extension. To do that, I'm going to show you an example of sending some Litecoin from a centralized exchange to the new account we just created using the extension. So right now I'm on Binance and I'm going to send myself some Litecoin. So I have some Litecoin here. I'm going to withdraw it. And here it's asking me which address to withdraw it to. To figure out what your Litecoin wallet address is, you can open up the extension and visit this icon here on the right, the little Litecoin icon. If we click on it, we are able to find here our Litecoin private wallet address. So if I click here, I could copy it and paste it. And I'm going to choose to withdraw the maximum amount by clicking here. And then I could click withdraw. So it took about 10 minutes, but the withdrawal was successful. As we could see here, I was successfully able to withdraw 0.75 Litecoin to the Litecoin private wallet address that I got from the Qortal Browser Extension. So if we open up the Qortal Browser Extension, we should see this amount reflected in our wallet. If we open it, we could see here after a short wait, that it will reflect the amount of Litecoin that we just withdrew. And there you go, 0.75 Litecoin is now in our Litecoin private wallet. I will now show you how you could go from Litecoin to Qort in a seamless fashion without ever running a node using qort.trade. So let's do that now. We've done most of the heavy lifting and now have Litecoin in our Qortal Browser Extension wallet. It's now time to trade the Litecoin for some Qort. In order to do that, we're going to use qort.trade. So let's go visit that website now. Once we're on qort.trade, we're going to be asked to log in. This is just to prove that our identity is legitimate on the blockchain. So let's do that now. We click login and we will be successfully notified. Now down here we see the open market sell orders. These are the current sell orders that people have listed for Qort in exchange for Litecoin. So for example, we see here 76 Litecoin, 76 Qort, excuse me, is being sold for 20.22 Litecoin. In this case, I'm gonna, for this example, scroll down and use a smaller amount. So I'm gonna click on it, this amount for Qort that I want to buy, and I'm gonna click buy. When I click buy, the extension is gonna request my confirmation for the payment, and I'm gonna click accept here. And once the confirmation is successful, I'm gonna be told your buy order was submitted by the extension. Now we can see the open market sell order has gone from down here where it was simply being listed to up here in my pending orders. So as we can see here, the status is requested for Qort for a total amount of 0.01 Litecoin. And there you go, the status is now completed for Qort for a total Litecoin value of 0.01. And if we open up our Litecoin wallet, we will see that it has gone down by 0.01. Well, you can't see it now, but it is confirmed and it has gone down. So there you go. That's how easy it is to go from Litecoin to Qort using qort.trade. All possible just using the Qortal Browser Extension. Now that we have some Qort on our Qortal Browser Extension wallet, it's time to start putting it to use. Now you may ask, what are the current possibilities? Well, we've already built an application for you to start using Qort on the normal internet. It's called qort.games. Qort.games serves as a semi-decentralized minigame application. At the moment, we only have one minigame, which is Connect 4, but we plan on adding new games in the near future. So once you visit qort.games, you may be asked to connect your wallet if it's the first time you're visiting. I've already visited it, so it did not ask me to do so. And once you are connected and have some Qort in your wallet, you could play. So you play by swiping down here, and it will look for an opponent for you to play Connect 4 with. Once an opponent is found, you'll be asked to confirm a payment transaction of 0.25 Qort to play. So we found an opponent for our game. As you can see here, opponent found, and we're now awaiting payment. Let me confirm that I want to play with this person. And once it is confirmed, we are transferred to the game's main game screen. And now we must wait for the other person to also make their payment. And there you go, the other person has confirmed their payment, and we are now ready to begin playing. For the sake of this video, I won't be going too much into depth about how to play Connect 4. In general, you're looking to make 4 in a row, either horizontally, vertically, or diagonally in order to win the game. And the game is a best of 3. And now we are in round 1, so you must win 2 games in order to win the match, the total match. And so there you go, that's already one potential application for using Qort on the normal internet using the Qortal Browser Extension. Really exciting stuff. Let's recap now to see everything we've done so far in order to be able to use Qort using the Qortal Browser Extension. So let's recap. First, we installed the Qortal Browser Extension by visiting the Chrome Web Store. Once we had the extension installed, we created a new account on the extension. With our new account created, we sent some Litecoin from a centralized exchange to our new private Litecoin wallet address. We then traded Litecoin for Qort using qort.trade. And lastly, with our new Qort, we played a game of Connect 4 using qort.games. And there you have it. Those are all the steps we completed today on our road to installing the Qortal Browser Extension. Thanks for having watched the video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you're looking to learn more about Qortal and the Qortal Browser Extension, please visit our website, qortal.dev/extension, or join our Discord. I'll pin it in the comments below. Take care.